Make this year your best ever PLR review is an incredible opportunity to transform your goals into reality and make the most of the year ahead. If you're looking to start the year with a bang, this exclusive guide is tailored to help you achieve exactly that. From setting achievable resolutions to crushing your goals, this guide ensures that you have all the tools you need to succeed. With full unrestricted use rights, Make This Year Your Best Ever PLR review gives you the freedom to rebrand, resell, or even use it for personal growth. This guide isn't just another ebook. It's a comprehensive roadmap to success. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a blogger, or someone looking to make a fresh start, Make This Year Your Best Ever PLR review offers actionable strategies that you can implement effortlessly. Imagine having a step-by-step plan that not only motivates you, but also equips you with the skills to turn your dreams into reality. That's exactly what this guide does. One of the standout features of Make This Year Your Best Ever PLR review is its versatility. You can use it to create your own projects, start a membership website, or even sell it as your own product. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is that you get to keep 100% of the profits. This isn't just a guide. It's a business opportunity wrapped in a motivational package. By leveraging Make This Year Your Best Ever PLR review, you can build a profitable venture while helping others achieve their goals. The guide is designed to be user-friendly and accessible to everyone. Even if you've struggled with sticking to resolutions in the past, Make This Year Your Best Ever PLR review breaks down the process into manageable steps. It's not about making drastic changes overnight. It's about building habits that lead to long-term success. With this guide, you'll learn how to set realistic goals, stay motivated, and track your progress effectively. What makes Make This Year Your Best Ever PLR review truly unique is the added bonuses that come with it. These bonuses are carefully curated to complement the main guide and provide additional value. From daily motivational tips to exclusive tools, these bonuses ensure that you have everything you need to stay on track. When you invest in Make This Year Your Best Ever PLR review, you're not just buying a guide, you're investing in your future. Another advantage of Make This Year Your Best Ever PLR review is its affordability. For just $12.15, you gain access to a wealth of resources that can change your life. This is an unbeatable price for the value you're getting. Plus, with the unrestricted use rights, you can easily recoup your investment by reselling the guide or using it as a foundation for your own business. Make This Year Your Best Ever PLR review is not just a purchase. It's an investment in your personal and professional growth. The guide also includes a section on creative ways to use it. Whether you want to rebrand it as your own, use it as content for your blog, or share it with your audience, Make This Year Your Best Ever PLR review gives you the flexibility to do so. It's a tool that adapts to your needs and helps you achieve your unique goals. The unrestricted rights mean that you have complete control over how you use the guide, making it a truly valuable asset. If you've been searching for a way to make a positive change, Make This Year Your Best Ever PLR review is the answer. It's more than just a guide. It's a partner in your journey to success. The strategies outlined in the guide are practical, effective, and easy to implement. Whether you're looking to improve your personal life, grow your business, or inspire others, this guide has something for everyone. In addition to the main guide, Make This Year Your Best Ever PLR review comes with 365 days of support and additional resources. This means that you're not alone in your journey. You'll have access to a community of like-minded individuals and experts who are there to help you every step of the way. With this level of support, achieving your goals becomes not just possible, but inevitable. To recap, when you invest in Make This Year Your Best Ever PLR review, you're getting a comprehensive guide, exclusive bonuses, and full unrestricted use rights. This is an opportunity to transform your life and make this year your best one yet. Don't miss out on this chance to turn your resolutions into reality. Click the button below to get instant access to Make This Year Your Best Ever PLR review and start your journey to success today.